Now the next part is equivalent proton and non-equivalent proton. This is very interesting and very important as far as NMR spectroscopy is there. I am going to teach you this topic with the help of stereo models or three-dimensional picture of some organic compound so that you can understand the concept of equivalent proton and non-equivalent proton. And this part is very important part as far as NMR spectroscopy is concerned. If you understand the NMR spectroscopy, you should know what do you mean by equivalent protons and non-equivalent protons. First of all, equivalent protons. Proton of the molecule which experience same amount of local field precise with the same precessional frequency under the uniform applied strength are called as equivalent proton. You will have little bit tough to understand the concept of this equivalent proton, which is given in the definition. But I will try to show you it very simple way. What do you mean by environment of that particular proton? Means if you know the environment of that particular proton, then you can understood whether that particular protons attached to the carbon atoms are same or different. Another type of proton is called as non-equivalent protons. Definition is just like above we have seen that, only the difference is that having a different environment. The proton of the molecule which experience different amount of local field and different precessional frequency under the uniform applied field strength are called as non-equivalent protons. So equivalent protons and non-equivalent protons. I will go for the next slide. Look at this. I can visualize this slide by the animation. Look at this central carbon atom. It is shown to you, and it is just shown with the help of green color, and whatever hydrogen attached to these carbon atoms, all hydrogens are equal. Look at this. If you look at this one, how they are rotating this one, these hydrogens. These hydrogens are definitely same. Once again, you look at these hydrogens, how they are rotating, and all hydrogen you are looking here, they are same. This is the methane molecules. So all hydrogen attached to the methane molecules are equivalents. Means that whatever hydrogen, first hydrogen is there, it is similar to the second hydrogen. Second hydrogen is similar to the third one, and third one is similar to the fourth one, and fourth one is similar to the first one. Means all hydrogens are equivalent. All hydrogens are same. So whatever hydrogens involved in the methane molecule, all hydrogens are equivalent. All hydrogen having the similar environment or same environment. If you look at this one by three-dimensional picture, you can understood that three-dimensional picture very well, and you can observe this by using this molecule like this. You can see this one. So at the central we have black carbon atom, and all valence of carbon is fulfilled by the hydrogen. Hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. Means if you look at this one, you will look this green bonds which are connected between carbon and hydrogen. So therefore hydrogens, all hydrogens are equals. If you take the any cross section of this molecule, you will get symmetry of the molecule. So whenever molecules are symmetrical, they are showing the equivalent nature. This is about this one. Look at this another example. You can observe this example very well. These two carbon atoms I am showing to you, these are same. These two carbon atoms I am showing to you are similar. If you look at the hydrogen attached to this, all hydrogens are equals. Again, look at this, all hydrogens are equal. So environment of each and every hydrogens are looking the same. So same environment is there. If you look at this one, it is visualized this by stereo models, and this is the stereo model. Look at this. This is the carbon atom, and this is the another carbon atom. These two carbon atom I have shown with the help of green color, and you can see that two carbon atoms are similar. Now hydrogen attached to these carbon atoms are same. This is first hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen, and this is again first hydrogen, second hydrogen, and third hydrogen. Each carbon atom attached three hydrogens, and all hydrogens are equal. If you look at this cross section of these molecules, you will find that two equal parties observed, two similar parties observed, and therefore this is called as equivalent. Look at this. When I am taking this cross section of this molecule, I will get two equal part. Therefore, hydrogen which I am showing here is similar to the hydrogen. Look at this here, and hydrogen which I am showing here, this is similar to this hydrogen. Above hydrogen which is similar to the this hydrogen. It means that whatever one half is there, same half is observed in the second picture, or this is the mirror image of each other. And whenever you will find that mirror image of each compound similar, then it is called as equivalent protons. So all protons are equivalents. All protons are equivalents. This is about this equivalent. If you look at this environment of each kind of protons, look at this carbon atom. So CH, HCH, HCH, HCH. Again we have HCH, HCH, HCH. Means there is no any difference between any kind of proton which are involved in this ethane. So ethane also contain all six hydrogens are equal. So whatever six hydrogens are there, they are equal, similar way. So therefore this is called as equivalent protons. And the blue line which I have shown is the mirror image, and due to this mirror you got one part and another part of both part are equal, same part, and local field is same for all six proton, and precessional frequency is also same. So therefore six protons are equivalent. So both cases, local field and precessional frequency, both are same, therefore they are called as equivalent protons. You forget about that precessional frequency or local field, just you observe by with the help of model, you can see this, how that all six protons are same or equivalents. If you look at the another example, you can see this example very well. Now this is the carbon atom, and this is the another carbon atom. So first carbon atom which I am showing here, it is rotating now. This carbon atom is definitely different than this carbon atom. Now in this case, both carbon atoms are different, they are not same. Because if you look at this environment of this carbon atom, and now hydrogen attached to this green color carbon atom, now it is rotating. These two hydrogens are same. These two hydrogens are same because whatever third valence of carbon, this carbon atom is fulfilled by chlorine. Now in this case, chlorine is there, no hydrogen is there. Therefore, this environment is different. Now we have hydrogen, carbon, chlorine. This hydrogen also have hydrogen, carbon, chlorine. Therefore, environment of these two carbon, which are shown with the help of this color, it indicates that these two hydrogens are similar. Now, once again, you can see this, they are rotating here, and therefore, these two hydrogens are same. So, these two hydrogens are similar, and this is one type of hydrogen. Look at this, another carbon atom where three hydrogens are attached, and all these three hydrogens are equal. So, all these three hydrogens are equal because they are having the same environment. They are having the same environment. So, if you look at this molecule, you can observe that all protons, now 5 protons involved in this compound, therefore all protons are not equal. So two type of proton, there are two type of proton. This is 2 proton of one kind and 3 proton of another kind, because every type of proton have a different environment. Look at this. If you look at this one, hydrogen, then carbon, then chlorine. Hydrogen, carbon, chlorine. In this case, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. It means that chlorine is not in this side. Therefore, definitely you will not get the similarity in both the carbon atom. So again, hydrogen which are attached to the different carbon atom, definitely they are different. So by that way, you can remember here, due to this chlorine atom, environment of these hydrogens are different. First 2 hydrogens having the same environment, while rest of these 3 hydrogens having the different environment. So here you can say that the protons of different types. So whatever I am showing this one This is of one type proton. This is of one type proton. This is of one type proton. Now, if you look at this one, again three type of protons. Three protons are there and they are equivalents. So all these three protons are equivalents. So all these three protons are equivalents because they having the same environment. They having the same environment. So remember here in this compound, is name of this compound is ethyl chloride. In case of ethyl chloride, we have a two different type of protons. Two sets are same, another three sets are same. So two different type of protons are available here, and therefore, if you ask me how many type of protons are there, definitely there are two different type of protons. Three are of one kind and two of another kind. So by that way, you can understand this concept. And whatever I am showing this means this is non-equivalent proton. These are non-equivalent protons. But if you consider these two proton, so these are equivalent and these three protons are equivalent. But if you compare these two protons which are attached to the two different carbon atom, definitely they are different. Therefore, they are called as non-equivalent protons. Another important thing is that equivalent protons do not couple with each other. Equivalent proton do not couple with each other, but non-equivalent protons are coupled with each other. So this proton and this proton definitely couple with each other, which I am showing with the help of this arrow. You can see these two protons are different, therefore they are coupled with each other. But whatever I am showing that same type of protons, these protons are not coupled with each other. So similar type of proton do not couple with each other. This is very interesting. And if you look at the environment of this, environment is HCCl, HCCl, then HCC, HCCCl, HCCH, like that environment is there. Whenever we are having the same kind of environment, definitely that type of protons are same, they are not different. Once again, you can see the another example. Whatever I am showing this one, central atom, it is carbon and it is different. So hydrogen which are attached to this carbon atoms are definitely same. So this hydrogen and this hydrogen, both hydrogens are similar, because if you look at the right hand side and left hand side, you will find that all are equal. Our environment is similar as far as this central part is considered. So we have this pink color hydrogens are same. There are two pink color hydrogen and both hydrogens are similar. If you look at these two carbon atoms which are just now rotating, these two kind of carbons are different. So therefore, definitely this carbon and this carbon, which is having a green color and another having a black color, both carbons are different. And hydrogen which are attached to this carbon atoms are definitely different. Now look at this one. Now whatever I am showing, these four hydrogen, now these four hydrogens are same. These four hydrogens are same. See here once again, four hydrogens are same, even though they are attached to the carbon atoms, black carbon atoms, and away from each other, but their environments are similar. Therefore, these four hydrogen atoms are similar, because if you look at this blue color bromine, both side you will have bromine attachment, and environment of all protons which are shown in this diagram or this picture, it is definitely different. Therefore, in this compound, you will have two different type of protons are there. Two different type of protons are there. And if we have the symmetry for this, if you make the line from the central line, you will get two equal part. If you look at the right hand side part and left hand side part, you will observe that both part are similar. Therefore, whatever I am having the four yellow color protons, hydrogens, they are same, but the proton which are shown with the help of with the help of pink color, they are definitely different. So definitely in case of 1,3-dibromopropane, you will get two different type of protons, and in this case local field around the methylene proton are different under the uniform magnetic field, and precessional frequency is also different for the both. So CH2 protons are non-equivalent. So look at this. You can observe this very well in this case. And with this, we have finished this